Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get the audio file of the talk or soundbite that you have presented on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen and then click on the talks button in the middle. Select the talk that you are interested in and click on the more button in the upper right corner of this section. Click on get audio file in the middle of the screen. And here you have two options, send by email or copy link to download. If you tap on the send by email option, you should enter your email address and then click on the send button down below so that the audio file will be sent to you. But you can also copy the link. If you tap on the more button, you can send it to yourself as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.